Kitchen appliances are essential tools used in households to make cooking and food preparation easier and more efficient. These devices include items such as the stove, oven, microwave, refrigerator, toaster, and others. Each appliance serves a specific function to help with different cooking tasks and food storage. The stove is a cooking appliance with burners that provide direct heat for cooking food. It uses either gas or electricity as fuel. The oven is a separate or built-in appliance designed for baking and roasting food. It maintains a steady, controlled temperature to cook dishes evenly. A stove is a kitchen appliance with burners used to heat pots and pans for cooking. It can use gas or electricity to generate heat. Stoves are commonly used for frying, boiling, and sautéing food, making them a versatile tool for daily cooking needs. An oven is an enclosed compartment used for baking, roasting, and broiling food. It provides consistent heat through heating elements inside. Ovens are suitable for cooking cakes, breads, casseroles, and roasting meats, offering even and controlled cooking temperatures. A microwave oven uses electromagnetic waves to heat and cook food quickly. It works by exciting water molecules inside the food, generating heat from within. Microwaves are convenient for reheating leftovers, defrosting frozen foods, and cooking simple meals fast. A dishwasher automates the cleaning of dishes by spraying hot water mixed with detergent onto dirty dishes. It has racks to hold dishes in place during washing. The machine uses high-pressure water jets to remove food particles, rinses with clean water, and may dry the dishes after washing. A refrigerator keeps food fresh by maintaining low temperatures inside. It works using a refrigeration cycle that includes a compressor, condenser coils, evaporator coils, and an expansion valve. The compressor circulates refrigerant, which absorbs heat inside the fridge and releases it outside, keeping the interior cool. A washing machine cleans clothes by agitating them in soapy water, rinsing, and spinning out water. Clothes are placed inside the rotating inner drum. The machine uses detergent and water heated to the right temperature for effective stain removal. After washing and rinsing, it spins to remove excess water, reducing drying time.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.